Hello and welcome to our review of the HP Envy Inspire 7255E Wireless Color Thermal Inkjet Printer, a versatile and reliable choice for home printing needs. This printer is perfect for everyday tasks like printing recipes, forms, and travel documents with print speeds of up to 8.5 pages per minute in black and 5 pages per minute in color. It offers key features such as printing, copying, and scanning in color, along with mobile and wireless printing capabilities, all enhanced by the HP Plus Smart features for advanced mobile printing, security, and automatic updates. With dual-band Wi-Fi and a self-reset function, connectivity issues are a thing of the past, and the HP Smart app makes setup a breeze, allowing you to print, scan, and copy from your phone, anywhere, anytime. Enjoy 3 months of instant ink with HP Plus, letting you print up to 700 pages a month with ink delivered only when you need it, and save up to 50% on ink costs. Remember, this printer is designed to work exclusively with original HP ink cartridges, ensuring optimal performance with periodic firmware updates. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the HP Envy Inspire 7255E for your home printing needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.